Hello and welcome to this webinar for the UK Futures Programme competition Skills for Innovation in Manufacturing. My name is Paul Casey and I'm the executive lead for this particular competition. We've just heard from Paul McKelvey, who is the strategic lead for the competition, and Paul gave an overview about the importance of skills for innovation in manufacturing, and I'd now like to give you some further information to help you support your application. The information covered in this webinar will include what we are looking for, what we can offer you, what we will co-invest in, who is eligible, and what support and guidance you can get to help develop your application. This competition invites proposals to develop, pilot or scale new ways of boosting the skills and business practices needed to maximise the value of UK innovation. Our competition focuses on the skills required to undertake and support the management and commercialisation of innovation. It is not seeking to support the development of technological skills, such as those associated with science, technology, engineering and maths. The project would appeal to those manufacturing firms which might be struggling to capitalise on their ability to innovate because they lack the commercial skills to exploit a product or a service for commercial value, and or the way innovation is managed in their firm is not conducive to developing a product or service through the innovation process. To be successful, the following criteria are required in an application. Firstly, strong employer leadership and engagement must be evident. There has to be clear innovation in reference to the solution proposed itself. A clear path from problem to solution which demonstrates the potential for impact must be apparent. Testing and shared learning is critical to the UK Futures Programme, and it must be built into the design of every project. Projects will share their learning with the UKCES and other projects receiving investment through the competition. And there will be public and private investment. This can be cash, in kind or both, and more about this later. Successful projects can receive up to £150,000 in co-investment from the UK Commission, with a total investment pot of up to £1 million available. In return, we expect clear employer investment which can consist of cash, in-kind contributions or a combination of both. The ratios for cash and in-kind contributions will depend on the type of project and where the benefit will be derived. For instance, if a project is judged to be for the greater public good, there is a likelihood that cash investment required from employers would be somewhat lower. Bearing this in mind, applications will need to demonstrate that they are able to deliver the project with an appropriate balance of public and private contributions. As well as co-investment, we offer the opportunity to co-create with us. We will be providing ongoing support beyond monetary investment to assist projects to get the very best outcomes. All projects will benefit from the experience, expertise, research and connections of the UK Commission and our commissioners. We will invest in three types of projects. Firstly, projects at a development stage, that is ones that seek to progress or refine existing ideas. Secondly, projects ready to pilot, in order to allow small-scale real-world piloting and the evaluation of their outcomes. And thirdly, projects ready to scale up, to enable the growing and spreading of a practice or product. Firstly, look at the competition brief to get an overview of the challenge we have set within the context of innovation. Here we suggest possible solutions you may wish to consider, but it is important to emphasise that these are just suggestions and proposals should not be constrained by the examples given in this document. This is available on our webpage on gov.uk. In the competition overview section, you can also access guidance documents. There is an introduction to the UK Futures Programme, which provides a concise overview of the programme itself. There is also a frequently asked questions document which will continue to be updated until the deadline of the competition. Also here you will find the application form and the assessment criteria. We are also happy to take your queries directly. In addition, there will be 2 webinars on the 18th and 19th of February where you can put real-time questions to the team. Employers of all sizes engaged in manufacturing throughout the UK can apply for this competition. We very much welcome collaboration to develop solutions. The UKCES programme is most successful when a wide range of possible solutions to the problems facing employers are developed and piloted, and this learning shared with others. Collaboration can be between businesses and between businesses and business representative bodies. Individual businesses are also welcome to apply, but they must show evidence of wider engagement with other businesses and the potential for impact beyond their own organisation. You have up to midday on the 11th of March to submit your application. Please leave good time to get everything ready for submission. After shortlisting, we will hold interviews on the 29th of April, 5th of May and 6th of May. Applicants will be informed of our decisions before the end of May, and projects will start running from June 2015 for 12 months. Thank you for watching this webinar and good luck.